Assalamu alaikum dear learners, how are you? Hope all of you fine. Welcome to NIBS Home School. This is Daliya Sultana, an assistant teacher, National English Version School. Today I would like to take a computer class for class 3 students. Dear students, our today's topic chapter 5, short question 1, 2 and 3. So let's start our class. Question number 1, short questions. What are the 3 places where computers are used? Our answer is the 3 places where computers are used are given below: bank, schools, colleges, universities, and hotel and restaurants. Question number 2, what are the 3 ways in which computers are used in school? Computers are used in school in many ways, such as computers are used in teaching. B. Computers are used in making mark sheets and report cards. C. Computers are used in keeping details, free records and library records of students. Question number 3. How are computers used in office? Our answer: computers are used in office in many ways, such as computers are used in typing and printing letters and reports. B. Computers are used in storing files, date and important information. So dear learners, here are short questions 1, 2 and 3 from chapter 5. You have to learn short question, learn short question 2 and 3, and your homework will be ask you short question 1, 2 and 3, and the submission date will be 31st July and Saturday, on Saturday. Question number 2. Question number 1, what are the 3 places where computers are used? Question number 2, what are the 3 ways in which computers are used in school? Question number 3, how are computers used in office? You have to do your homework 1, 2 and 3 and learn only 2 and 3. So dear learners, hope understood today's topic and do your homework properly. Stay home, stay safe. Allah Hafiz.